Hi and welcome back. So this is a quick tip for everybody. When you have a piece of bread like this that is kind of like hard, but it's still good, because if you don't see it turning green or with white spot, that means that it's still edible. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna save this, you know how? I'm gonna open my water faucet. I wash my hands, and then I'm gonna take my hands like this and sprinkle that bread like that, wet. I'm gonna put it in the oven and it'll be fresh in a second. We'll be right back. So I'm opening the oven, and this is that piece of bread. Don't mind my beautiful pork chops down there that they're cooking. And I just wanted you guys to see, you see? I like it like this. I got the little, but look. I want you guys to hear. Let me take the knife.
Ooh, look at that.
Right through it. Because I want you guys to hear the crunch on this. Ready, guys? Let me take this right because it's very hot. Look. Look at that, Mike. And you have yourself some fresh bread. So all you gotta do, you put a little bit of water, put it in the oven for a couple of minutes, bring it back out. It's delicious. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys can use this and save some money by just getting your bread a little bit wet, put it in the oven a couple of minutes, take it out, and you can put butter, whatever you want, and eat it nice and fresh. Thanks for watching.